is the kind of space that turns making dinner into a treat. The beadboard cabinets are painted a shade of robin's egg blue and contrast beautifully against both the pure white quartz countertops and the rich wood butcher block island. Along with the massive farmhouse sink and the oil rub bronze finishes, these details really give this kitchen that classic look. To add a little rustic industrial flair, I custom designed these open shelves in front of the windows so they add plenty of function without obstructing any views. And speaking of function, these cabinets are non-stop. There's plate storage in side drawers, knife and utensil storage conveniently by the stove, and even a pneumatic lift for your stand mixer in its own cabinet. There's a suite of high-end appliances, a built-in cappuccino maker, and even a television that's built into a cabinet front. With seating for 3, gorgeous flattering light, and a bar sink, this kitchen is ideal for both cooking and entertaining. I'm telling you, this kitchen might make you rethink eating out ever again.